gets wet easily, keeps slipping, and gets dirty soon. Kitchen's biggest concern, safety. How are you preparing?
Water, oil, and various other ingredients. The kitchen floor is always tense. But with STICO, don't worry about it.
A grade for anti-slip. STICO's outsole delivers excellent anti-slip performance.
STICO kitchen shoes are already used by chefs from all over the world. But there's another special reason.
First, it's light. The ergonomic design ensures that the foot is not overwhelmed even when standing for a long time, and the soft fit reduces the fatigue of work.
Excellent resilience, like always new. The more extreme the situation is, the more STICO is able to do it.
Second, it's strong. Slip-resistant block outsole completed with patented technology. The eco-friendly assembly method ensures that the outsole does not fall off.
But even more surprising, would you believe if these sturdy kitchen shoes were born out of these old shoes?
STICO's Reborn Eco Project. It's been reborn as an eco-friendly product using pollution-free materials that don't cause environmental hormones.
Well, I've been wearing them all day, since morning until now, and they're still cool, like I just put them on a minute ago.
And third, it's pleasant. Patented technology that quickly releases hot heat and moisture inside the shoe makes the inside of the shoe more comfortable.
But you can't give up fashion and comfort, even for safety.
Kitchen shoes are crude. STICO breaks that prejudice. Wrap your feet safely and stylishly. You can use a variety of colors to create your own personality.
No danger can stop your passion for cooking. Show your passion in a safer kitchen with STICO.
More strong, more differentiated. Small innovations in the kitchen, STICO.